Good morning, everyone. Beautiful morning. The birds aren't too noisy. They're just nice. It was fresh, but I can't lie there. It's a cool night, but I slept like a log, sweating at one stage. I woke up soaking wet. Oh, it's a beautiful morning. Fire burnt right down. Did well. Oh, cannot complain. And you know the good thing this morning? I got coffee. Yes, coffee. Oh. Oh. Whew. Take a little bit to warm up, I think. Oh. Birds are so cool. Oh. Don't know how much I'm looking forward to this. Not having a coffee for 5 days. I feel like I'm an addict or something. Oh. Oh. I suppose I just, set your bed up, boy, so you can sit on it, hey? Is that what you want? There you go. I should apologise for my cough. It's pretty bad. I'm sure it'll get better in time. Oh. There we go. Alright, I think I shall have my cheap coffees. Caramel latte. They're out of here. Oh, I'm so looking forward to this. Oh, nice hot coffee. It's going to probably be stinking hot. Give it a bit to cool down, I think. Oh. Oh. That is just hit the spot, and the sun coming through the trees. Look at this. Don't know if you can see it. Straight through there. Oh, right there. Oh, that is so good. So good. Beautiful morning, I must say. Absolutely magic. I'm gonna let that sun get right up. dry that out a bit. It's very moist inside, or wet, I should say, not that word. Very wet, mildewy. Just because I kept it closed last night pretty much. Just had the windows open a little bit just to keep us warm because I knew it was going to be a cold night. And I've got to say it worked, but side effects of that is obviously you do get condensation. But oh, that sun will be beaming on it soon. Definitely going to take this one for a walk up on the rock a little while. Get changed. Put some pants on, jeans on again. Enjoy this coffee for a little bit. Oh, it's going to be good. These birds. I've decided to go for a walk up the rock. Coming for a walk? Walk up there, have a look. Got me coffee. The sun's out, so I got my sunnies on. So I think it might be a bit glary out there. I don't know if I'll climb to the top, but we'll go for a walk. I don't know if the neighbours have left because I think I can hear them idling, but not 100% sure. But we'll go for a little walk. My coffee is so good. Oh, it's magic. But yeah, I don't know what plan is today. Tell the truth. I'm going to climb up on this little rock because that big ass one up there, that's a big climb. I don't think the old body's up to it this morning. I'm having a lazy, whatever day it is. Oh, just enjoying the sun right now. Oh, that sun is so good. Obviously, they've had rain out here because all the little rock pools. Oh. Oh. I know I'm not at the top of the rock because the top's way up there. But still, check out the view just from here. I'm probably halfway. What a view, eh? See for miles. I don't know how it got its name, Hospital Rock. Must have been, I don't know, work going on or something. Hospital here or something, Midway. Hospital Point. I don't know. Or the person who found its last name was Hospital. Got no idea. But this is, yeah. I'm just going to take this in for a bit and enjoy. Ah, time for some brekkie in the sun. Where are you? It's behind some trees, but you're not having any, no. Now this is living in the sun. Beautiful morning. Dressed ready, Ugg boots on. Oh, doesn't get much better. Birds are singing. Magic. Oh, that's hot. That is hot. Another bit I don't. Well, I do like to do, but I don't like to do. Rooftop is packed up. That was easy. Normally I struggle a lot with straps and stuff and the canvas popping out. I mean, I've still got my bedding in there, which makes it a bit harder to push down, but the reality, it needs a wash. All right, that is it. Packed up, dogs in the car, everything is put away. Thank you for joining me at this nice little peaceful camp spot. I will call through here again, definitely. It's not a bad spot to stay. Peaceful, quiet. Bird life is quite nice. I'm not a bird person, but just listening to them in the morning was good. Yeah. Well, thanks for joining us. We'll see you on the next one, wherever that shall be. I'm not sure. It's just as much a surprise to me as it is to you. Please like, share and subscribe and all that jargon. See you next time.